where Bianca slapped the ex. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But if this is your first time seeing me, I don't need to tell you my name. I think you should just subscribe. That's the only thing. And if you look at me today, you see that I'm looking different. On a norm, I don't do makeup to do my videos, but I actually did makeup today. And this is courtesy of Valentine. Valentine, if you're watching this video, you actually made me do my makeup, because like, we need to rebrand this channel. Okay, but that aside, today I'm going to be bringing to you a tour. So I actually was opportune to be in the governor's lodge, and I actually filmed it, and I'm going to be bringing the tour from the starting to the finish, the inside space, the outside, how everywhere looks like. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. It all started from when we went for the event. The inauguration was actually did at the government house. So I wasn't really in the mood to film when we were at the government house. Why? Because there was a lot of personnel. My dad is not a senator and my mother is not a senator. So why would I film them? So to me, it was acting somehow. So by the time we got back, my sister was like, film, this girl film. So I was like, oh, okay, let me just film it. You know, that kind of thing. So, but the process of the slapping process and all those things, to some of you who had the gist, because it actually went viral, where Bianca snapped, where Bianca slapped the ex-governor's wife. I didn't film that part. So if you're actually coming here to watch Bianca slapping somebody, I did not film that part. So, but I filmed the governor, the family, the children, the wife, Her Excellency, and every other person is present in this video. Okay, it started from when we got to the governor's lodge, when we moved from government house to the governor's lodge, and I'm going to add the clips of what the outside looks like. So you see the trees, the good environment with the green, white and green house and everything. Then when we entered into the governor's lodge itself, somehow everybody wasn't allowed. If you're not a family member and if you are not like a top person in the society, you are not allowed. So you'll be stopped at the gate. So in fact, the worst part of it was that there was actually a name. All the people that was meant to enter, their name were written. So if they bring the list and check your name, and if it's not there, you're not going inside. That was just your choice. So for me to be actually inside there, it was a miracle. So, and it's because I followed my mom in. And okay, when we got inside, I saw pictures of all the governors that has ever ruled Anambra State, starting from, you see the picture, I'll add the clip, the Ojukwu, you see all the pictures, it was lined up there. So, but they will not add your picture there, except you're done. Like, once you step down, like the way Willie has gone down now, they'll add his picture there. So they won't add your picture if you are still a sitting governor or if you are not a governor. So it's all the ex-governors that you see their pictures there. So we now went to the parlor, because Willie just moved out because it was an inauguration. There was nothing in the parlor. The parlor wasn't set up yet. Like the governor, the Solu haven't gotten his own chair and everything. So the room was still like a bit empty. I did a quick tour with some people. I tried not to film the very official people in society. So I just filmed the children, which I'm going to add the clip over here. So you can see the children, the governor's children, and you see all the children over here. And the mother, the security and her PA and everybody. We took a few pictures because you know it's family thing, and we were trying not to do too much because she was very busy on that day. And after that, refreshments, little more tour, and we went home. So that's just the story. So enjoy the few clips I got. And
so you guys, this is what the outside looks like. Everything is painted green and white. So yeah, My sister is already inside because she has been with them since they got back to Nigeria, and we passed the gate for checking the list because we just got down from the car.
I cannot do that one.
And I'm here with my friend, my mom, and my sibling. So yeah.
Hey, my baby, say hi to the camera. Good afternoon, sir. They are not here, they are coming. Okay, so this is dark clothes. Yeah, it's so fine.
All the pretty girls stand up. All the pretty boys stand up. This right here is my slang. All the girls are on me. Yeah. Everybody pay attention. This right here is my pretty boy swag. Pretty boy swag. Pretty boy swag. Pretty boy swag. Girls on my dick when I pretty boy swag. Girl, scream my name when I pretty boy swag. 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 Girls on my dick when I pretty boy swag. Girl, scream my name when I pretty boy swag. Get out the way. Pretty boy coming through. Me and my crew, we swaggin' in the room. Girls on me heavy cause I look so sexy. Yellow diamond shawty and their clothes straight flexing. I'm looking for a yellow bone, long hair star. Thick in the hips, come get in my car. So your party will start. Take off and go to Mars. Pretty boy take off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This right here is my swag. All the girls are on me. Yeah. Everybody pay attention. This right here is my pretty boy swag. Pretty boy swag. Pretty boy swag.
So hey guys, if you actually got to this point, I'm super excited and I am grateful. But guys, like, I'm so shy talking. This is my first time filming and somebody's in the room. I'm used to just me and my camera. And the truth is that someone is actually holding this phone as I'm talking to you guys. Why? Because I don't have a stand. So people should come and say hi to Jessica. Jessica, come. Come and say hi to them. Hi.
Hello.
So she actually made this video possible. So you will see this video today is because of Jessica. So you should say a very big thank you to Jessica. I'm very grateful. Thanks a lot. So her sister is actually the one holding the camera as she came here. So now her sister is going, like, guys, you don't understand. My bad. I actually ordered a camera from Jumia, but it's not yet here. Do you understand? So her sister was holding the phone. Hi. Come and say hi to my subscribers. So, and this is her. Say hi. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm so grateful for you guys making this thing possible. Like, without it, I don't know. Maybe there will be no video for today. So guys, thank you for watching and share this video with your friends. I know you guys were actually expecting the Shen haul, but just give me a little time. I couldn't film it because I don't have a tripod stand, but I already made an order and hopefully to be here on or before the week runs out. So next week Saturday hopefully should be Shen haul. Thank you. Bye. I got and catch ya next week Saturday. Bye.